Jila Parishad member of 11 Khetrigao, Muhammad Najrul Islam, in association with State Health Department today, organized a program at Khergaon Junior High School wherein locals living below the poverty line submitted application forms for Chief Minister Gi Hakselgi Tengbang CMHT and Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana cards to the concerned. All Manipur Recognized Private Schools Welfare Association today organized a one-day sensitization program on Draft National Education Policy 2019 at the State Guest House, Sanjenthong, IMPHAL. All Mizo Medical Students Union General Headquarters, IMPHAL, Manipur organized its Freshers Meet 2019 at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, IMPHAL today. MONSANG Students Union IMPHAL celebrated its Silver Jubilee today at the Tribal Research Institute, Chingmairong, IMPHAL. Performances on modern folk music and dance, traditional items along with release of a souvenir were the main highlights of the function. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President JINPING resumed their one-on-one talks on the second day of the India-China Informal Summit at Mamallapuram today after an extensive interaction on Friday, during which they agreed to work together on issues ranging from trade to terrorism, a media report said. A powerful improvised explosive device (IED) exploded at the compound fencing wall of Kuki Students Organization KSO MOREH office located at Ngamkhai Veng last evening at around 7:55 am. A total shutdown call given by different social organizations in protest against the blast has hit life in the town which borders Myanmar, a report said today. Meanwhile, an improvised explosive device (IED) was found planted at a culvert on Tidim Road located at the intersection of Waikurok and Laisang villages of Churachandpur district early this morning. Six-time championship MC Mary Kom today won a bronze medal in the World Women's Boxing Championships 51 kg category after losing to Turkey's Businaj Sakiroglu in an intense semi-final bout played at Ulan-Ude of Russia. The National Indigenous Seed Festival 2019 was kicked off today at the main auditorium of Central Agricultural University, KAU, E-RICKSHAWS, IMPHAL. Vice-Chancellor of KAU, Professor M. Premjit Singh and retired IAS R.K. Nimai were present as main guests during the inaugural function. Governor of Manipur, Dr. NAJMA HEPTULLA said she was happy to have the opportunity to flag in a team of farmers from Manipur on their return to the state after a visit to Sikkim for exposure and learning all aspects of organic farming, starting from production to packaging and marketing. The function was held at Headquarter IGAR South, IMPHAL. All Moirang City Block Auto Iris Meji Coordinating Committee today held a sit-in demonstration demanding complete withdrawal of registration done by Moirang CD Block E-RICKSHAW Development Cooperative Society Limited. A two-day program on the 26th Guru Kirtan jointly organized by Guru Gulabti Natta Sankirtan Academy and Isailup Manipur has kicked off at LAMYANBA SHANGLEN, IMPHAL is today. A combined team of IMPHAList commando and troops of 15 Assam Rifles arrested two active members of proscribed PREPAK Pro group yesterday.